Hello guys, welcome back. I'm going to show here how you actually start to add property on Figma. First, this can be really satisfied with adding a property in Figma, which is really to be satisfied with this progress that is really to be important to about to be done on this situation that is ready to be satisfied with this progress so that so first of all, what you're gonna do is about to be satisfied with this select component or add variant on right up corner, which is ready to be satisfied with that as soon as possible through important levels that you want actually through it. And we can see the property may be about to searching for it property labels, and that is all about